If you're looking for a budget-friendly, delicious and healthy meal, then this video is for you. If you want to learn how to make this dish with just 1,000 naira, you definitely want to keep watching. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be making beef dodo, and I'm already in the kitchen, so we're going to start preparation very soon. Thank you. So at this point, I was cutting the plantain into cubes. Please excuse the whatever you're seeing on this table, but just enjoy the flow. Basically, we're just cutting the plantain. I'm not a professional, so yeah, just cutting the plantain. After we cut the plantain, I became a butcher of meat. So next, you're going to mice your meat, cut it bit by bit, into little chunks and all, so that you can infuse the meat inside the plantain. When it moves in your mouth, like, you'll be able to chew it and chew everything together and enjoy the awesomeness that comes with the meal. So right now we are moving to the frying pan. You throw in your plantain, gradually fry little by little, until it's probably golden brown. Okay, Mr. Carrot came into the picture. Somehow I couldn't cut this carrot because it was too hard and the knife safe was not sharp enough. I had to dump it, and then I decided to move over to beef. Now to the beef, you put it in the pot, season it, add everything, your cube, your onion, everything, pepper, and then I moved over to nicely diced it into little chunks. I don't know, I cut them. I just cut the thing. I just gave it a nice cut. Next up, I went to my frying pan and then I started frying the beef until it was actually golden brown as well. Not so brown, you need to leave it a little bit moist so you can chew it. So next up, I threw in my vegetable mix into the same oil I fried my beef. This is because there's going to be a combination of nutrients and infusion of flavors from the beef and everything. It just makes the whole vegetable very sumptuous. Yeah, you understand what I mean? Yeah. So next I threw in my seasoning cubes. I went ahead to add my salt, my pepper and everything, my spice, everything like that. Yeah, I gradually added everything in, and then I went ahead to give it a quick stir, allowed it to cook for some time, for all the nutrients to enter inside the mixture of everything. God, I don't know what I just said, but you know what I mean. So next up, we throw in our fried beef and then give it a quick stir. Afterwards, you just throw in your plantain. Voila, you have your beef dodo ready to be devoured by you. As for me, I ate it myself, so by me, yeah. So hi guys, I couldn't wait to start eating it. I'm so sorry, I couldn't wait to start eating it. So I'm hoping that you learn something. Maybe you can call this a mukbang. So I hope you try this meal. Thank you so much guys for watching my video, for staying to the end. If you actually stay to the end of this video, you are the real MVP. Thank you so much for staying to the end. And if you're just seeing this face for the first time, please click the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share this video if you like it. I really do hope you try this recipe. This is great. So guys, this is the finished look of our dish. Very yummy, very healthy, very sumptuous, very delicious. Thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. Please give us a like and a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe. See you in our next video. Bye.